At Trebor Manufacturing, we take pride in the quality of fabrication that goes into all of our aluminum toolboxes, like this top-lid toolbox. Trebor's semi-truck top-lid toolboxes are built to last. They have great aesthetic appeal and they are easily mounted to provide you with maximum storage to carry your straps, chains, binders, and more. All of our top-lid toolboxes come with a stainless steel click handle, which is easy to manipulate. Make your top-lid toolbox shine with one of Trebor's 3 finish options: checker plate aluminum, smooth aluminum, or mirror stainless steel. All of our boxes come with a key lock to make sure all your precious equipment is always secured. Our aluminum top-lid boxes are 1/8 of an inch thick for maximum durability and are designed for heavy-duty applications on the side of your truck frame or on the rails of your semi-truck. If you're looking for specific storage within your toolbox, you can customize your box the way you want. Piano hinges offer the best protection for the lid of your toolbox. They are made in durable, discreet-looking stainless steel rivets specifically designed for top-cover heavy-duty boxes. These are the best hinges for this application, offering maximum durability. If you'd like your toolbox's door to stay open while you store or unpack your equipment, we could add gas cylinders, and you'll be able to get the job done quickly. Your top-lid toolbox is water-resistant thanks to Trebor's rubber weather strip seal, which will keep water away from your equipment no matter how hard it rains. Whether you're looking for a standard or a customized top-lid toolbox, Trebor Manufacturing can meet all of your needs. Call us now for a free quote or visit our website at trebormanufacturing.com.